हाँ जी। नमस्ते। चलो ये ठीक है, अब ऐसे करके बात कर लेते हैं। बिकॉज ये आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द रीजन बट द माइक्रोफोन्स आर नॉट वर्किंग। यस, टेल मी। द वॉइस साइड इज नॉट वर्किंग। यस, आई एम एंग्शियसली वेटिंग फॉर इट। परफेक्ट। यू wrote it with both hands or left hand or right hand only? Right, left, not both hands. So, what you need to understand is, in the first place, for example, you targeted to write 1000 times in a day. Now, for 1000 times, you should write 900 times with right hand, 50 times with left hand, and 50 times with both hands. The moment you train yourself slowly from 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 100, likewise, you need to grow. And this is a full year curriculum. All the exercise remains same. We'll be slowly increasing the dexterity every week. We'll have two classes in a week, Saturday, Sunday, so that for the whole of the year we should be able to focus on our class. Now, when you are writing with both hands, this will improve your dexterity for doing things with both hands. While doing with both hands, you can also close your eyes and write, which means when you are playing piano, you'll be perfectly able to play piano with both hands and with closed eyes, even. Am I able to express myself? So, by doing this, you'll slowly and slowly develop yourself in doing all the things. For example, if you want to do shooting, now shooting involves both hands, and you can aim and shoot while with closed eyes. So, only the perfect people can do that. तेजस जी क्या कह रहे हैं? Sorry, not able to. What is? No tooting. I said shooting, shooting. एक तो आप अपना थोड़ा कैमरा एडजस्ट करो तो दोनों जने आएंगे फ्रेम में। हाँ। What is shooting? You are not aware about shooting. मेरा हेडफोन देखना कहाँ पर है। मैं अपनी चीजें यहाँ रखता था, मैं क्या बताऊंगा इस टाइम पर। इसका लैपटॉप का वो नहीं काम कर रहा है, स्पीकर। क्लास ही नहीं हो पा रही मेरी। सॉरी। तो यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट शूटिंग, तेजस? Okay. In shooting, we have a gun or a pistol. So we can arrange for a toy. A toy gun will be making you learn how to do shooting. ठीक है? So you can do shooting with both hands, right? And you can also do shooting with closed eyes. So during the course of this entire year, we'll attempt to learn martial arts. ठीक है? Basic exercises. We must know how to protect yourself. Krav Maga is a martial art. I believe a short course will be good for you to learn so that you can protect yourself and others from any type of bullying. Sorry? You are already learning Taekwondo. Oh, then it is perfect. Then it is perfect. Because in Taekwondo, matlab, physical activity is there and you are learning how to protect yourself and others through martial arts. So that's a good activity. So, uh, writing Shreem with both hands with closed eyes will activate the midbrain and will also improve your martial arts skills. And keep watching Kung Fu Panda so that you will be able to understand how and why I said something. Matlab, if I said who is the elder one, Debesh is the elder one. So the elder one will teach whom? The younger one. The moment you are able to teach the younger one perfectly, that means the task is done. You have learned completely as well as you have uh, able to make others learn also. राइट तो उससे जो है थिंग्स विल इम्प्रूव इन अ बेटर मैनर तो what you need to do on a regular basis is you need to write Shreem on the dotted sheets. I shared a dotted sheet version. मैम आपके पास में वो डॉटेड शीट वाला वर्जन है ना I'll try to show on my screen also. Give me a second. ये वाला शीट मैंने एक शेयर करा था So these are sheets on a dotted wo. So you have to practice writing so that you can write each character correctly, clearly. ठीक है इसके अलावा भी एक मैंने वो शीट शेयर करा था which bear alphabets. This is also another sheet where you can follow the written part. Is it visible? Right. So this you need to do. Sheet one. This is another sheet. So, by writing on these sheets, your handwriting will improve and you should be firmly able to write Shreem correctly. So, now what we are targeting is कि in the entire approach, we'll be daily improving our ability to write. ठीक है more we'll write, मतलब when we'll write 1000, we should target writing 3000, targeting writing with both hands. Finally, we need to improve ourselves in terms of writing with both hands, not with one hand alone. When we write with both hands on these kind of sheets daily with a red pen, this will improve our inner observation of energies. You'll observe. कैन वी हैव टू प्रिंटआउट्स जो अभी हमारे पास में है? इज इट पॉसिबल कि ओके, मैं आपको भी शेयर कर देता हूँ दोबारा भी. गिव मी अ सेकेंड.
क्लास में आवाज आ गई है उसकी।
और फोन चला रखा है मैंने.
वो हेडफोन नहीं है गौरव, हेडफोन वो नन्ही के पास में है, उसके वो हेडफोन घूम गया था तो वहां पे एक रखा हुआ था, वो ले लिया था उसने। मैं और मंगा दूं तुम्हें ब्लिंकिट से?
मैम, yesterday we sold 14 books on Notion Press.
वायरलेस मंगाऊं वायर वाला?
वायर वाला. और
हाँ जी।
वो ढंग का सा मंगाना, कोई अच्छी क्वालिटी का, नहीं तो मेरे कानों में ही प्रॉब्लम है. अनिरुद्ध को बोल दो, वो देख के अच्छा वाला करेगा ऑर्डर।
So these are the sheets. I use the sheet. I use sheets. So these are sheets. I use the sheets. I use the sheets. I use the sheets. I use the sheets. So these the sheets. I use the sheets.
Yes, these are perfect sheets. Now, what we need to do is, on a daily basis, we need two sheets, one on which we'll write with right hand, the another on which we'll write with left hand, and second, we'll try to write on both the sheets. So we need to understand how body adjusts itself in terms of when we try to write from both hands, what is the spacing of sheets, how my pen is going to work. So that will be the perfect kind of a practice to understand. Am I able to express myself?
Yes. Yeah.
Right. Now please start.
With right and left hand.
With left hand, right you already aware how to write.
Um,
So for few days regular we'll practice on dotted sheets. Post that we'll practice on normal sheets.
Right.
Once our handwriting and fonts are fixed.
He said to write with left hand first.
First you write with right hand. If you can, then we'll switch.
I can do it. I can do it quite. Look at this. I need help. I did with left hand. This is right hand and this is left hand.
Right like that.
Not the right hand.
Give you hold the pen correctly. See how it is. Yes. Look. Use this pen.
It's so hard.
Like this.
I can do the best.
Then this.
The best I can do is squibbles. I can do squibbles cover on
It's
the
okay. Fasting it will happen. Slowly it will go.
so
You're right. He's practicing that. Put your hand here. Paper is slipping.
try it.
Good. Good.
Good.
Hmm.
I'm doing good.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Hmm.
Let's get to it.
Slowly it's coming. It will come. To write this one. No, don't.
So hard.
How are?
Because I'm not the best.
Look here.
Money will be right that time.
Okay, that.
उसने पेमेंट कर दिया महक ने और मिसेस वाही की 2 शीट्स हैं मतलब 2 वो हैं सेशन 2 या 3
मेरा जो दिया था वो दे दो और अपने ही बैठो ठीक है ये वाले पेपर्स तुम्हें चाहिए अभी सारे हैं
ले लो जो लेना
सारे तो कर दो
Good.
वो बाहर आ गया।
ये तो ध्यान ना देखेगा।
ये फोन म्यूट हो गया।
नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते जी, बताइए। फोन म्यूट हो गया था एक्चुअली, इसलिए मुझे दोबारा कॉल करना पड़ा। बट यू आर एबल टू हियर माई वॉइस करेक्टली
Yes.
इवन विदाउट फोन?
Yes.
ओके, so there is a problem at my end only. Let me check with the headphone also.
I can't do. No,
मैंने मोबाइल का चार्जर तो पड़ा तार का।
ये वाला पहले चेक करो। वाली को बोला बगैर सेटिंग मत ले।
तो वेट कर रहा है।
now I'm done. Um, I am done with 2 lanes.
तो JBL का तुम लाए थे, ठीक
I'm
था।
done with 2 words. Emotion. I have to do it left. I am done.
Am I audible now?
I am done in one. Yes.
पर मैं सुन ही नहीं पा रहा।
Done in one book. I am done in one word.
Yes, this is very good. This you have written with left hand. चक्कर। अनिरुद्ध को बुलाओ, उधर रखा है।
अनिरुद्ध,
Now can I do it now? So here,
Yes, good. Good, Tejas.
can we do white hand now?
ये देखो, ये चल ही नहीं रहा है, क्या चक्कर है इसका?
Hmm. And white. Now how to wipe left hand?
ये मेरी आवाज नहीं, मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Wipe with
उनको
left
मेरी आवाज
hand.
नहीं आ
What can you have to wipe with left hand? No. Hmm. Yes, I'm able to hear you.
Just use करती हूँ, right? Is that better?
रही। मेरे को कान में ही कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही।
I didn't do. I only did my homework. Now what? What's wrong with the internet? Maybe Wi-Fi is not working.
Like this.
I don't know how to write.
This is the tip.
But how? But